What's up guys? If you want to see my anti-prom makeup look tutorial, keep on watching. I think you'll like it. Right here I'm going into my Stila color palette and I'm taking this nice pink shade and I'm just going to be blending it out in my crease. Not so neat because this is an anti-prom look and I wanted to do a grunge glam. So with this color I'm just going to go back and forth with my Morphe brush and blend it all out. Blending it out some more, I'm just going to go on my lid and all over my crease. Took a smudge brush and I went in with a darker purple burgundy wine color and I went in to define the crease and make it a lot more darker. To show you what I did on my other eye, I'm just taking the color and I'm slowly outlining where I'm going to be defining my crease. So now I'm just blending that out and I'm soon going to be adding a lot more pigment, that way it's a lot more grunge. Here I'm just packing on color and winging it out. What I'm basically doing for this anti-prom look is I'm just going to be defining the crease more with a lot more dark burgundy colors and blending that out and packing in more color and continuing to blend it out because blending is key to makeup. Now I'm taking a small angled brush and dipping it into a matte black eyeshadow and I'm going to outline the wing and where I want to smudge it out. Going in with the same color, I'm just going to be smudging it out and blending it out. Now I'm throwing on this nice mauve sparkly shade on my lid. Foundation time, so now you know the rule, buff, don't swipe. Now I'm using my beauty blender to take away any possible streaks that are on my face. Now I'm concealing with the Kiss Products Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm just going to go under my eye, down my nose, and on my chin. Now on my eyes, I'm going to be smudging the bottom lower lash line with 3 different colors, the mauve, the burgundy, and the black. I took the Stila eyeshadow, the dark burgundy, and I went underneath my eyes and my eye socket and I blended it out. Now I'm contouring with my NYX Contouring, and I'm also going in with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and I'm bronzing up my face and blending it all out. Going back into the Naked On The Run palette, I took up the blush and a round top blending brush and I slightly packed that into my cheeks to give me a nice pink blush color. Now I'm highlighting with Carli Bybel's Deluxe Edition from BHCosmetics with the pink and the gold pans. For a more sparkly glow, I went in with Kiss All Over Glow highlighter and I placed it on my cheeks, on my nose, and my upper lip. I really love this highlight by Kiss. It's affordable, it's really nice, and it's not too crumbly as most cheap highlighters would be. But now I'm just blending that out in my beauty blender so that it sticks into the skin, and now I'm adding more blush. Products will be listed down below, but I used this Kiss liquid lipstick in a nice mauve purple toned color. Lip option 2 is my YSL lipstick in Rogue Matte. It's a nice deep burgundy wine color, and I think this is my favorite lip color for this beautiful anti-prom look. Thank you so much for watching part 2 to my prom series. Please like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment.